quantum theory. Nobody understands that. And the quantum theory is related to our life. And quantum theory is totally orgasmic in nature. But everybody should read Osho on quantum so they can understand that when there is no mind, that means there is no disease. The quantum life, the quantum energy, the quantum vibration, the quantum feeling. As I said, the whole existence is a quantum, is infinity. All trees, all birds, all animals, everything in the ocean, and the mountains, they're all in quantum in nature. And our total life is a total orgasmic, is a total quantum in nature. Quantum is the smallest particle which we have in our body, which our cell has. We have 150 trillion cells in the body, and each cell has an atom. An atom has an electron, proton, and neutron. They're all vibrating so fast that nobody can see that. But we should all become a watcher, and that's what we should be. And once we become a watcher, we become the total existence. We become the existence itself. And that is what a life is. And total orgasmic in nature, because every cell has the intracellular fluid and the extracellular fluid. Intracellular fluid has organelles, and that organelle atom is one of them. And then in our body produces when the relation takes place between a man and a woman, a orgasmic relation takes place. A proton, electron, and neutrons, they are so moving so fast, nobody knows. There is a reaction take place, is called the vascular endothelium growth factor, and that is basically happening every cell of our body. And that vascular endothelium cell gives us the energy, that gives us life, that gives us the vibration, that gives us the living day-to-day life, that makes us being ourselves, that gives us a quantum therapy. That's why nobody understands a quantum therapy. But please, everybody should read about Osho, because he is talking about quantum. I tell you, I now understand the quantum. The quantum is total orgasmic in nature, and it is a proton therapy, which is a proton pump, which it produces protons, and also called the proton radiotherapy, and then proton chemicals. It also produces growth hormones. So all the body is working at so small level that nobody understands a thing. But everybody understands when you become a watcher, because the people in the United States, they are looking outside. That's why all science is nothing but a conditioned. So that's why we have to look inside. That's why Jesus Christ said that the kingdom of heaven is inside, and that's what we have. And that's why living in the present, moment to moment, and that's what a life is. And that's why the existence is. Existence is living moment to moment. Existence is a watcher, witness, and observer. And that's what I am. My Papa was a mind. Papa learned in 1941. The mind is a heap of impression, and the body is a heap of food. And that's what he was, totally a watcher. And that's what everybody should become, a watcher. Watcher of this existence. And that's what we should be. And I love you all. Thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you very much.